Students, in this video we are going to study about the nomenclature of aldehydes. So first example of aldehyde is one carbon containing aldehyde HCHO. The name of this aldehyde is formaldehyde, common name form for hydrogen. This H, when H is attached to aldehyde group, the prefix is attached to the suffix aldehyde. Aldehyde is a suffix. So form aldehyde means HCHO. Now how the IUPAC name given for this aldehyde? So you count the number of carbon atoms present in this aldehyde. So this is one carbon containing aldehyde and it is a alkane derivative. So from alkane, E replaced by Al. So one carbon containing alkane is methane. Meth for one carbon. All are single bonds. So carbon is attached with single bond with hydrogen. So An and aldehyde group. So Al, methanol, meth, An, Al, methanol is a first example of aldehyde HCHO. Now second example, two carbon containing aldehyde CH3CHO. So CH3 means acet group, acet aldehyde suffix. So acetaldehyde or acetaldehyde is a common name of CH3CHO. Now see how many carbon atoms are present in this molecule? Two are there. So carbon 2 alkane derivative eth, prefix eth is used, ETH, and singly bonded compound, so An and CHO for aldehyde, Al ending is there. So ethanol, ethanol is common name or IUPAC name of this aldehyde. Okay, now next one, three carbon containing aldehyde. So arrange three carbon in straight chain. Arrange three carbon in straight chain. So how to write? See, arrange three carbon in straight chain. One of them is aldehyde. Remaining valency of each carbon is completed by hydrogen. So three carbon containing aldehyde, propion. Propion is the prefix and aldehyde ending suffix. Aldehyde suffix always used in case of common name or a trivial name. So propion, 1 minute, I'll try a correct spelling, propion aldehyde. So propion aldehyde is common name or trivial name, and according to IUPAC system, IUPAC name or IUPAC name, three carbon containing alkane, prop, prefix, again all single bonds, so An and CHO is there, so propanol is its IUPAC name. If next example, four carbon containing aldehyde. So arrange four carbon in straight chain. No need to by heart the formula. So one of them is CHO group. Aldehyde group is always at the end of the chain, and remaining valency of each carbon is completed by hydrogen. So four carbon containing aldehyde straight chain is there. Then butyral, BUTYR, butyr aldehyde suffix is added to this prefix. So butyr aldehyde is its common name or trivial name. And IUPAC name, now you tell me IUPAC name, four carbon containing alkane derivative and ending Al, so butanol. Very good. Now next one, this from this four carbon, arrange three carbon in straight chain and one carbon arranged in branched chain, and one of them is CHO group, because now we are going to study about the nomenclature of aldehyde. So one aldehydic functional group is must present in this compound, CHO group. Remaining valency complete by hydrogen. So CH3, CH, CH3. So this is which is the functional group of this compound? CHO group. So from the opposite of functional group of compound, if opposite means this is CHO group from this side, and from the opposite side means from this side, if second carbon attached to the methyl group, then always iso prefix is used, iso. And total 4 carbon containing aldehyde, so again it is a butyr. So name of this compound is isobutyr, butyr. Isobutyr. This is a common name or a trivial name, but again we can give other common name like this way. So this is the functional group of this aldehyde, CHO group, and when to the functional group first carbon is attached is alpha carbon, next to alpha beta carbon is there, and onwards again gamma, delta, and so on. Now you observe here, to this alpha carbon methyl group is attached, so write alpha methyl, and remaining 3 carbons are in this straight chain. So methyl is mentioned, alpha methyl. Now for these remaining 3 carbon, propionaldehyde. So other common name, this is also common name, alpha methyl, 3 carbon containing remaining straight chain propion aldehyde suffix. So aldehyde. So alpha methyl propion aldehyde is other common name or trivial name of this aldehyde. Now how to give IUPAC name for this compound? So during or while writing the IUPAC name, you must or select the longest chain. So I replace this alpha beta, and for giving IUPAC name, you select the longest chain and number this longest chain from the side which gets minimum possible number to the functional group. So CHO is a functional group, therefore we can number this chain from this side. So CHO, this carbon get number 1, second carbon, and this is the third carbon. Now at second position this methyl group is attached. So how to write the name? At position 2 methyl group is attached, and 3 carbon containing chain of propanol. So 2-methyl propanol is its IUPAC name. Okay. Now if we take one more example, if arrange 5 carbon in straight chain, and one of them is CHO group, remaining valency complete by hydrogen according to its tetravalency. Each carbon always surrounded by 4 covalent bonds. So the common name of this compound is valor, is the prefix added before the name of aldehyde. So aldehyde is the suffix, and the name of this 5 carbon containing straight chain is valoraldehyde, and its IUPAC name is total. Very simple, it is pentane 5 carbon derivative E of the alkane replaced by Al. So while giving IUPAC name, alkane singly bonded compound, alkane E replaced by Al. So alkane is converted into alkynyl, okay, for the single bonded compound. If we take one more example, from this 5 carbon arrange 4 carbon in straight chain, and to this 5th carbon is attached or arranged in branched chain. Now one of them is CHO group, remaining valency of each carbon completed by hydrogen will get structure of the following or given aldehyde. Now what is the common or IUPAC name of this compound? Write down. So tell me what is the common and IUPAC name, or trivial and IUPAC name. Now see, according to common or trivial system, so this is the functional group, and the carbon which is attached to the functional group is alpha, second is beta, third one is gamma. Now to this beta carbon, methyl group is attached, so beta methyl 4 carbon containing straight chain butyraldehyde. So one common name is beta methyl, and remaining 4 butyr, butyr aldehyde suffix, so butyraldehyde, beta methyl butyraldehyde. Or one more common name is for this compound is, so how to write one more common name? So if you observe, I can replace this alpha beta letters. If you observe opposite from this CHO group, so this CHO group is present from this side, but from the opposite side, if to the second carbon is attached with one methyl group branch, then iso prefix is used, iso, and total 5 carbon containing compound valor and ending aldehyde, valoraldehyde. Isovaloraldehyde is nothing but beta methyl butyraldehyde. Now you tell me what is its IUPAC name. So while giving IUPAC name, you select the longest chain. So select the longest chain. This is the 4 carbon containing straight chain, and to this 4 carbon containing straight chain, from this 4 carbon containing straight chain, you number the chain which gets minimum possible number to the functional group of aldehyde. So carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, 3 and 4. Now you observe at carbon 3 methyl group is present, and remaining 4 carbon containing alkyl. So what is the name? So IUPAC name is, at position 3 methyl group is attached, so 3 methyl and 4 carbon containing straight chain butanol. Okay, 3 methyl butanol. So these are some examples of aliphatic aldehydes. Now in this aliphatic aldehyde, if we take one more example of 3 carbon containing aldehyde, one of them is CHO group and one other functional group is present, that is carbon-carbon double bond. Now complete the valency of this carbon according to its tetravalency. We'll get the structure, and the common name of this aldehyde is acrolein. Acrolein is CH2 double bond CHCHO. Name of this aldehyde is acrolein, and this is the most important aldehyde. Now what is the IUPAC name? So how to give IUPAC name? How to give IUPAC name for this compound? Here 2 functional groups are present. One is the aldehyde, second is alkene. Now according to priority, aldehyde has the higher priority than alkene. So suffix of aldehyde is present in the name of the compound, suffix. So more priority is always present at the suffix of the compound. So 3 carbon containing alkane. Now we number this compound, carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Now at carbon 1, 3 carbon containing alkane, at carbon 1 aldehyde group present, at carbon number 2 this alkene group starts. So 3 carbon containing means prop is the prefix. At position 2 double bond starts, so 2 propene, so 2 in prop 2 propene, E replaced again by 1 Al or simply you can write prop, no need to write 1, propenal, prop in Al. So this is about the acrolein, is the most important aldehyde. Now one more 4 carbon containing aldehyde. So arrange 4 carbon in straight chain. One of them is CHO group and double bond is present here. Now remaining valency complete by hydrogen. Each carbon is surrounded by always 4 covalent bond, and the name of this aldehyde is crotonaldehyde. This is the most important aldehyde and which is prepared in the next part of this chapter in the chemical reactions, that is aldol condensation reaction. So this is the most important aldehyde, crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde, what is the IUPAC name? So how to give IUPAC name? Number the chain which gets minimum possible number to this aldehydic functional group. So numbering is given from this side. Now see, total 4 carbons means bute, prefix bute. At position 2 double bond start, so 2 in En, and at position 1 Al, or simply we can write bute 2 in Al. Both are correct one. So butenal is the correct name. Bute 2 in Al is correct name for crotonaldehyde. Next example of aldehyde is CHO attached with CHO. Now 2 aldehyde groups are present and the name of this CHO is glyoxal. Glyoxal is common name. Also other common name is oxaldehyde. Oxaldehyde or glyoxal are the common names of CHO. Now its IUPAC name is when 2 functional groups are present in any organic compound, then you write alkane as it is. So 2 carbon containing compound, so ethane, and 2 aldehyde groups, so di and al suffix. So ethane dial is the IUPAC name of CHO. So this is about 2 functional group containing compound. Now if we take aromatic compounds, so benzene ring attached with, so this is the benzene ring attached with CHO group. So you know about it. This is the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is a common and IUPAC name of this compound, but one more IUPAC name is given when here when the IUPAC name is given for this compound, then this carbon is not counted in this benzene ring. So other IUPAC name is, this is benzene. In benzene, the CHO group is not counted, and therefore it is written as it is, or it is written as carbaldehyde. Carbaldehyde is IUPAC name of benzaldehyde. So this is one more IUPAC name of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde as well as benzene carbaldehyde. If we take one more example, if this benzene is attached with CHO as well as CH3, so this CHO group is present at carbon number 1, CH3 present at carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon containing ring. So at ortho position, this CH3 means toluene group is present. So orthotolualdehyde. Orthotolualdehyde is its common name. And what is its IUPAC name? So IUPAC name, according to IUPAC name, this methyl group is present at carbon number 2, and this is benzene or benzaldehyde. 2-methyl benzaldehyde is its common name. IUPAC name. So at position 2, methyl group is present. So 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is IUPAC name of this compound. benzene ring attached with the CHO as well as the CH3. Now if we take one more example, salicyl aldehyde, you know about it, benzene ring attached with aldehyde group as well as OH group. Now you tell me what is its common name as well as the IUPAC name. Salicyl aldehyde is its common name, salicyl aldehyde, and already you studied in alcohol phenol ethers Riemann-Tiemann reaction, preparation of salicyl aldehyde from phenol, and what is its IUPAC name. So while giving IUPAC name, number the benzene ring which gets minimum possible number to the functional groups. So higher two, these both are functional groups, and in this higher priority goes to aldehyde group than this OH group. So according to priority, at carbon 2, OH group means hydroxy group is attached to hydroxybenzaldehyde is its IUPAC name. So 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde is nothing but salicyl aldehyde. If we take one more example, if to the benzene ring 2 CHO groups are attached, this one CHO and adjacent carbon second CHO, then its name is phthalaldehyde, PHTH phthalaldehyde. In this name, PH is the silent one, so its pronunciation is phthalaldehyde. And what is its IUPAC name? So while giving IUPAC name, this both carbons are not counted with this benzene, so benzene 1,2-dicarbonaldehyde is its IUPAC name. So benzene 1,2-dicarbonaldehyde, carb aldehyde. So benzene 1,2-dicarbonaldehyde is its IUPAC name. So this is benzene ring, and at position 1 and 2, these two CHO groups are attached. So this is benzene 1,2-dicarbonaldehyde. Carbaldehyde suffix is when it is used when we are not counting this CHO group in this compound. So that time we can use suffix carbaldehyde. Okay, so this is benzene and 2 carbaldehydes are there. So benzene 1,2-dicarbonaldehyde. So one more example. If we take one more example, so cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane, not a benzene, to which CHO group is attached. Then what is its common as well as the IUPAC name? So this is cyclohexane. See, this is cyclohexane, and to which aldehyde is attached. So common name is cyclohexane aldehyde, and its IUPAC name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So common name is cyclohexane aldehyde, and IUPAC name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde, carb aldehyde. So these are two names of this cyclohexane. Now I will give you one more important example. Here 3 carbons attached with 3 CHO groups. Now you tell me what is the IUPAC name of this compound. So middle carbon, remaining valency completed by hydrogen. So how to give IUPAC name for the given aldehyde? While giving IUPAC name, you select the longest chain. So this is the longest chain containing 3 carbon atoms. So this is the longest chain, and number the chain from both sides, will get the same numbering. Now 3 carbon containing alkane derivative, in case of multi or polyfunctional group containing compound. When two or more than two CHO groups are present in one molecule, then you write its alkane derivative as it is. So 3 carbon containing alkane derivative propane at a position 1, 2 and 3 CHO groups attached. So 1, 2, 3, for 3 functional groups tri prefix is used and carb aldehyde, because these 3 aldehyde carbons are not counted in propane. So this carbaldehyde is used when these 3 carbons are not counted in this alkene. So this suffix is used carbaldehyde. So it is very important example. At position 1, 2, 3 carbaldehyde group attached to these 3 carbons. So it is propane derivative, to which at position 1, 2, 3 CHO groups means carbaldehyde group. So IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. So if you like this video, give like, and for more videos you subscribe this channel.